Andun yung Kelowna, oh. Yun, oh, doon.
O, tama na, dali. Picture lang.
Ayan, may beach ball pa. Alright. Ayan. Nasa Kelowna na tayo. Set up ng Sumutoma. Yung mga mamshis. Tatagay. Tatagayan sila sa inflatable boats. Labin. Paddleboarding. Yan yung City of Kelowna. City Center. Medyo hazy. Pero mainit.
Yan. Dito kami sa vineyard.
Mission Hill Winery.
Mission Hill sa
Mission Hill Winery. Kunti lang ang tao. Nandito kami ngayon sa Mission Hill. Wine tasting. Ayan. Napakaganda. Bye. Are you gonna taste some wine? Oo, si paring Raul nagbumili na ng kanyang wine. The Book of Rosé 2023 Mission Hill. Kanilang self-produced wine here. Ito pa. Rosé din. Ito yung restaurant nila. You will need reservation to enter there. Ano, Beb? Ano masasabi mo, Beb?
Ang masasabi ko lang, madilim dito. Hindi
Kasi
ko
naka-shade ka.
Hindi ko kaya
Tanggalin mo
tanggalin
yung
ng
shades
shades
mo.
ko dahil wala na akong makita.
Alright. Ito yung gusto kong bilhin. Napakalaking wine bottle. Ito.
Oh, I told you. Nothing to see here. You
3,000.
want to get in here. Oh, see, I told you.
2013. Okay, yun lang.
Look at him.
Great place. If you want to buy wine. Yeah.
Palabas na kami sa aming future hacienda. Lakas makayaman. Lakas makaramdam na we're poor. Ganda. Kaya maraming nagre-retired banda din dito eh. Pero kamusta ang tax?
The boy, the mom, the fox.
Iuwi na natin yan. Ito, iuwi na natin to. Ilagay na yan sa cargo box. Can we order something?
Hello, welcome to our store. What can we get for you? We got Coke.
We want wine. Sweet wine.
We got sweet wine. Here.
How much for the sweet wine?
$1.
$1. I like that.
It's like $10, $1.
Oh, wow. $1? So cheap. I like that.
Thank you for coming to our store.
Thank
This
you.
Giant pack. Do you want this giant pack?
Yes. Thank
I
you.
went for home.
Ay, ang ganda. Oh, parang Philippines. Ang ganda dito.
Looks like the chocolatier hills.
Mhm. Punta kami sa Sakaha Lake. Ay, Skaha. Hindi pala Sakaha. Skaha.
15 pa.
Let's go! So, maulan. Today is Friday, maulan. At pinasok namin ang aming kitchen. Dito kami nagluto sa loob. Okay naman. Survive naman. Ngayon, liligo na kami sa ulan. O, siniksik namin. Yan, ang aming mga paggamitan.